The question is 24 divided by 3 inside the bracket 3 plus 3,000. Now 24 divided by 3 will also become 8 inside the bracket 3 plus 3 will become 6. Now 8 into 6 equals 248, but this is wrong. Now rewrite the question. 24 divide by 3.
3 plus 3.
If we continue solving, first we'll solve inside the bracket, so 3 plus 3 becomes 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 924. Divide by 3. After the brackets, multiplication comes next. Now, moving left or right, we'll check first priority is division, second priority is multiplication. So now, 24 divided by 3, then multiplied by 6. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Now, 8 times 6
equals 48. This is the right answer.